up, y'all? My name is Carrie Mitchell. Welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. Today we're going to learn a simple line dance routine to Jerusalema by Master KG. And this is a song, and these dance steps went viral. It's just such a fun, uplifting, feel-good song. And someone requested a tutorial for the steps, so that's what we're going to do here today. Just so you know, this video is just the tutorial, so we're not gonna do it with music in this video. I'm just gonna go over the steps really nice and slow for anyone who needs that. And then there's a separate video that I've linked down in the description below, and I'll also link it up here in this card that has me doing the dance with the music. So when you're ready to practice, check that out. All right, let's dance. All right, I've seen a couple of different versions of this, so I just picked one to teach you today. There are variations I'm gonna show you. Yeah, it's just all about moving and having fun. So whatever you're doing is right. If you're moving, you're doing it right. Don't let anyone tell you any differently. Okay, so you're gonna start with your left foot. We're gonna tap it up and down. That's all we're doing. Some people do the whole foot. Some people do their heel. Some people do more of a hip or a tap and a hip. You do you. Choose your own adventure. So we're gonna do 4 taps on your left foot. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to step on the left foot and quickly change to your right foot, and 5. Yeah, so you're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right. And don't put your weight on that right foot because we're going to tap it too. Okay, again, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You switch really quick. Then you tap this foot 4 times. 6, 7, 8, and then you're going to switch back, right, left. So these switches are fast, how we're switching our feet back and forth, but you can do it. We're going to try it really slow from the top. It's going to be 4, and then a quick switch, and 4 on your right. And then switch back to your left. Here we go. 5, 6, 4, taps on your right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, left, switch. 6, 7, 8, and switch. Yeah, try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, left foot goes 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Tap, 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 and switch. Yeah, great job. Okay, from there, we're gonna quickly do just the switches back and forth. Again, some variations. You can pop your heels. You can kind of twist side to side. You can do more like this scissor step. Yeah, if you're feeling really ambitious and jumpy. So it'll be, you finished with your left foot, so we did right, left, and you're just gonna do 4 switches. And switch, and switch, and switch. The first one is on, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so the right foot's gonna step back on and. Try it. 5, 6, 7, step back. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, step back on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, step back on your right. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Yeah? Put it back from the top. So we're going to do 4 touches on your left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, try it again. 5, 6, 4. Taps on your right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. Switch. 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, switch. 2, switch. 3, switch. 4. From there, you're going to do one more switch and 5. But this time when you switch, instead of keeping that weight back here, you're going to actually step on it right, left. Put your weight on it. Okay? So from the 4 switches, you go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And actually step over onto it. And in a lot of these, they make it pretty dramatic. They switch bop, bop. They do like a nice big ball change. Okay? So try from the 4 switches, and then we're going to step forward on 5. Here we go. 5, 6, step back on your right. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. You're going to keep walking forward. right, left, and start to turn right. Then we're going to be facing this other wall. So you just did, and 5, you're going to walk forward, 6, 7, start to turn on 8, touch that left foot on 1, okay? Try it again. So we're going to switch, and 1, 5, 6, step on your right, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now you step left, right, touch. Yeah, let's try from the top. So we're going to do 4 touches on that left foot. 5, 6, 4 touches on your left. Go 1, 2, 3. Now you switch, and right. 6, 7. Now you switch for 4, 3, 2. Step on it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1. Yeah. Woo. From there, we're gonna walk it back to your left, but I'm taking it to the back wall, but leading with your left side, you're gonna go left, right, touch, okay? I'm crossing that right foot in front. So from the back, it looks like this. Left, right, touch. You can even turn it kind of. Left, right, touch, okay? From there, remember we're facing this wall, but I'm gonna show you so you can understand it from the back. We're gonna go back, right, left, touch. Again. So you touched on 5, we're gonna walk back, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay? You're gonna get it. So from here, we're gonna walk to this side. We touched on 1, we're gonna go 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you take it back. 6, 7, 8, 1. And that 1 is actually gonna start it all over. So that's all it is. There's only 3 8 counts that are gonna repeat the whole song. Okay? Whew. Let's try it again from, let me show you what it looks like facing this way. So you just did, and 5, 6, 7, 8, tap 1. Now we're gonna take off this way. 2, 3, 4, tap 5, back 6, 7, 8, tap 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start it over. Yeah, very nice. Okay, again from here, so we're facing this wall. We're gonna tap on 1 and take off on 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap 1. Step left, tap right, back, right, start it over. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's go really slow from the top. Yes, starting with those 4 taps, super duper slow. Here we go. 5, 6, tap your left. Go 4, 3, 2. Now you switch for 4, 3, 2, 4 switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and left, right, then we touch. 1, walk left, right, and we touch. Take it back, and we tap it for 4. Then we switch it for 4, and it starts over. And you just keep going, turning till the song is done. Yeah, let's try it 2 more times. 1 time slow again, and then we'll go faster. Yee, here we go. Okay, super slow again from the top. 4 taps. Left foot starts it always. 5, 6, tap the left for 1, 2, 3, then you switch. And 5, 6, 7, 4 switches. 1, 2, 3, then you step. 5, 6, 7, now you turn and touch. 1, 2, 3, then you touch. On 5, take it. 6, 7, start it over. 4, 3, 2, then you switch. 5, 6, 7, 4 switches. 1, 2, 3, then you step on it. 5, 6, 7, then you turn and touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, touch. 5, take it. 6, 7, 8, then you start it over. Yeah? Woo, good job. All right, great job. Last time through, we're gonna do it up to tempo. It's fast. When you start to go faster, you'll get it. Practice as slow as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, go up to tempo, okay? We're gonna do the same thing. We'll do one this way and 1 this way. Here we go, last time. Here we go. It's nice and fast, but you can do it. 5, 6, 4 taps on your right. 1, 2, 3, then you switch. 5, 6, 7, 4 switches. 1, 2, 3, step on it. 5, 6, 7, then you turn and touch. 2, 3, then you touch. 5, take it back. Then we start it over for 4. Then you switch. 5, 6, 7, 4 switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, step on it. 6, 7, then you touch. 1, left, right. Left, touch, right. Then you start it over. Yeah, great job. Fantastic job, y'all. I hope you enjoyed that. It was just a nice, quick, little simple step tutorial. I hope that it helped you break it down. If you liked this, if you enjoyed it, you can show me by liking or commenting or subscribing. It all helps. I love it all. I appreciate you. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And don't forget, when you're ready to try it with music, there's a separate video that I've linked down in the description below. You can do it. Have fun.